Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use an Xbox One controller wirelessly on your Nintendo Switch. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. On screen I know you can see a quick example of how this works. It works really well. I haven't noticed any real noticeable input lag. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing I should mention before we get too far into this video, we're not going to be able to do this without some extra hardware. What we're going to be using is the MayFlash Magic-NS wireless controller adapter. This of course will also work for USB controllers, so you've got a couple of different options with this. You don't just have to use wireless. So what you're going to need for this is the adapter itself, along with a USB to Type-C cable, and I think most versions of this adapter come with the cable included, but if you're looking to get your hands on this adapter, I'm going to leave a couple of links in the description down below, so you can easily get it down there. I'll leave some links to Amazon, as well as some links to AliExpress. So once you have all this set up, what we're going to be doing is plugging our MayFlash into our Nintendo Switch. In this case, you may have to update the software if it's not already automatically connected. I'll leave some card information on screen. Mine worked out of the box, so I'm going to be assuming most people's will. So all you need to do is turn on your Switch, unlock the screen, and we're going to be plugging this into our USB port at the bottom. Now what we're going to be looking for is this stick to flash in a red color. In this case, if yours does not flash in a red color, all you need to do is click on the black button on the side of your controller once, and you should see a rapid flashing. And then what you need to do is hold the black button for 3 to 5 seconds, and then it should change color. In this case, you can see it's currently blue. All I need to do is click on it once, press and hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then the flashing will stop and then a new color will pop up. In this case it's green, and all we need to do is repeat this process until we get to the red one. Once your MayFlash stick is finally flashing red, what we're going to be doing is clicking the black button on the side until we see a rapid red flash, which means it's currently in connection and sync mode. From here, what we're going to have to do is grab our Xbox One controller and press on the power button, and then we're going to be pressing the sync button on the top until your Xbox One controller also starts flashing rapidly. Once this happens, you should give it a couple seconds, and then these will eventually connect up, and this should automatically work after this. So for me, this took about 10 seconds. You can see the flashing on screen, and once they both connect, they'll both be a solid color, and then your controller should link up and work perfectly. You can see as I move around, the Xbox One controller, it navigates the menu perfectly, and now even if I continue to play Mario Kart, it'll still continue perfectly. Now as this controller is an Xbox One controller, it's going to function as a Nintendo Switch Pro controller, so the controls pretty much match perfectly, so everything should work pretty much out of the box, and this is a really nice experience, and for me, it really enhanced my Nintendo Switch playing ability. As well as using it wirelessly increases the portability a lot. This is a really nice feature, and I really enjoyed using this. Anyway guys, this is a product I'd really recommend, so if you check out the description down below, you should see the links to this. If you click on the Amazon affiliate link, it is going to help support me, so I'm going to recommend that. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to use an Xbox One controller wirelessly on your Nintendo Switch. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found this helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.